Hey, Chase here with Sano. Update on the water damage project that we've been looking at from over the weekend with the flooded basement, flooded first unit. This building behind me, all the way to the corner here, past that generator, is without power and without a fire suppression system due to a pipe that supplies a fire suppression system breaking, flooding the basement, flooding the building, and submerging all of the meters and circuit breaker boxes for this entire building. So we have the whole building without power and without fire suppression. So we've got the basement pumped out at this point. We're drying it. We have electrical company, actually utility providers, heading out just now. They're down here looking at everything. I've got my electrical contractors behind me down there working on ordering replacement meters. We've got meters that need to be replaced. We've got circuits that need to be replaced, breakers. I mean, it's the whole thing. So in the meantime, today, progress that's been made is we've got the street shut down. We closed the lane. We've got a sidewalk shut down. We own the sidewalk. We had all the parking meters bagged, closed the lane of traffic. And then I think tomorrow we're scheduled to start busting up this sidewalk and the road out in front of it so we can get to that water main, get that repaired, get fire suppression back in, and then hopefully in the next day or so we can have these replacement meters put in and replacement breakers put in and get checked out by the city and county and cleared to turn power back onto this building. So we'll check back in with more updates later.